I won't warn you. If you never reach 18 years, you no fit listen to this podcast.
If breeze blow, fowl yansh go open. This one na common knowledge among the people of Abako. As they reach station, na im they start to find the people wey kill Shaba. The matter now be say anybody wey get fresh wound for ear na potential suspect. Since that day, they don arrest 5 people wey carry cap cover their ear, but all of them no be who dem dey find because their ear complete. They don come step up for the matter as more police don come join them, because as dem dey find who kill Shaba, na im dey still dey find wetin cause fire for Abako Market. Pastor wey never hammer o, na im dey organize crusade for streets. Chief Wilson na correct politician for Abako. Na im be the person wey Mr. Thompson dey work for, and the man no too dey show face. He no dey do election rally for street o. Na common knowledge say boys dey always dey deliver for am. Na that kind confidence he take dey operate. Even Timo, wey be Mama Tasty friend, don work for the man wella. Na the chief na im suppose even come bail Timo that time, but Baba no gree show face o. Chief bin no dey around. Na when he hear say fire burn market and he also affect him friend Mr. Thompson, na him show face for Abako. Na better crowd dey follow am waka o, and him dey always dey spread like wrapper wey dem sew for outside. Na as him dey house, na him DPO come visit am for house based on elder statesman wey him be. DPO flex no be small as they dey yarn, him dey sip wine steady, while the other hand photo album dey look am. Him dey tell Chief about the katakata wey dey Abako and how dem dey try fight am. Chief sef come yarn am say him go try help am too in terms of fuel and patrol. Na as DPO dey look photo for the picture book, na him see that same watch wey dem discover for Shaba place. The thing shock am but he try pretend like say nothing happen. He come dey look the face and the face be like wetin him don see before. Na where he dey try remember, na he see say that person na Timo, the same guy when he arrest during court clash, the same Mama Tasty padi. That night wey market burn to pieces, Mr. Counselor go shiri for hotel. Him dey restless, him eyes come dey shook. Na until he come get call from Mr. Jude Tabi, na him mind calm down. That day, when they go bail Mama Tasty and Timo, they discuss wella about Abako and politics. Them be old political friends before, and they don fair run show before. During election, Mr. Counselor be don promise Mr. Jude Tabi contract as reward for wetin he don help am do during the election. But as the time don dey end, contract no gree come o. Na for the year na him dey come make plan. Mr. Counselor come go tell am say make he arrange for people wey go burn market, and if dem burn am, na him dey go give the contract to rebuild the market. Mr. Jude Tabi come go reason am. The matter tire am o. He disturb him conscience, but he really need that contract. They say no matter how man chop belle full, space go always dey for meat. So e no come surprise Mr. Counselor say Mr. Tabi still run the parole and wish other better time than when their enemy Mr. Thompson go buy goods, na him dey come burn everything. Mr. Thompson no be JJC for Abako to come dey believe say fire just carry burn Abako Market like that. He know say na the work of him political enemies. He too dey sure, sake of say na the night when he carry him goods come, na him dey run the parole. The last meeting with Chief Wilson, he tell am say he go make sure say Abako go dey bloody. He no be person wey be say dey run comot from fights.
Thank you well say you dey listen to Abako. We hope say you dey enjoy the story. You fit listen to Abako for Spotify, Apple Podcast and YouTube. Na 808 Xtra na im produce am. Na Chuki One Pillar write am. Onakole na im voice am. The soundtrack na Onye Beat and Fefe na im do am. The sound design, mixing and mastering na 808 Xtra do am. If you wan write for us or you wan work together, you fit contact us for 808extrang@gmail.com. Support for this channel dey come from the osusu wey you dey pay us. You fit send your own if na naira to paystack.com/pay/808extran, or if na dollars you wan send am to paystack.com/808extrad. All these details dey for the show notes.